So what I want to do now, I want to add my logo. And if you want to learn how to create a logo for free, not a really complicated logo, you can go to youtube.com and search for Ferdy logo. Hit enter. And there I have 3 tutorials. Create a logo for free within 5 minutes. Then make a logo for free with a transparent background. And transparent background can be really handy when you want to have a white logo over here with a dark background. And when you scroll, a colored logo. And how to create a simple logo in Photoshop. Well, I created mine in Photoshop just by taking a look at other logos. I thought I'm all about web design. Maybe I can play around with the word, and I came to the word web divine. Like, my websites are so amazing, they are divine. Okay, that's the whole idea behind it. So I go back to the customizer. Then I go to the site identity. And I want to select my logo over here. I can upload a file, or I can select a file over here. And I want to go to my desktop logo, and there is my logo in color, and I will use that one. So web divine, 2 colors. And what I do with my images in order to optimize them, I copy the title, I remove all the dashes if there are dashes in the image, and I add it to the alt text. And then I select it,